What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we're doing something a little different, just not going to be doing a whole lot of cooking on the griddle. Making some fried potato salad, Cajun fried potato salad. This is a copycat recipe of a place in Dekalb, Illinois, Northern Illinois University, right over there, a place called Fatty's. And they have the best fried potato salad I've ever had. It's so good, spicy, really good stuff. Let's check out these ingredients and yeah, get it going. So here's what we got. This is 5 russet potatoes, all cubed up like that. We're gonna be using Duke's mayonnaise. Gotta use the Duke's. The veggies, now I forgot I'm putting this in the food processor, so I cut it up real small, but no big deal. We got red and green pepper in there, sweet onion, and celery. Gonna be chopping all that stuff up. And the seasoning, this right here. Now this isn't the exact recipe because I don't know what that is, but that is some Cajun, some sugar, cayenne pepper, and dillweed. I don't know if that's the ingredients they use, but that's what I'm gonna use, and it's gonna be delicious. So we're gonna start off with these potatoes. We got, like I said, 5 potatoes, and I'm gonna just dump them all up on the griddle. Just get them going, and I'm gonna cover them up. All right, let's just dump them. What? Sorry, there's a fox running down the road, distracted us. All right, boom. There goes the taters. Get them going. Let's mix them up. Now, I mean, obviously the best way to do this would be to deep fry them, but that's not what we do on this channel. So I'm just gonna mix them around, get some oil all over them. That starch is making them stick. That's no big deal though, no biggie. So we got that, spread them out a little bit. All right. Spread them out. I'm gonna put a little bit more oil because I wanna kind of try to do like a shallow fry on them. So yeah, we're just gonna let them cook up like this. Get the stuff that's on the top moved around. Now I have my griddle at, it's like 450. These 3 burners are all the way high. This one's off. So yeah, we're just gonna let them fry up and bring you right back. So I figured while we're letting these cook up, let's go make the sauce. So as you can see, we're starting to get a nice little fry on these things. I've been putting oil in them, just a little bit here and there, just to keep the fry going real good. Because, I mean, that's the way you want to do this. If you don't like them fried up, then just make your normal standard potato salad, but this is how we like it. So these are getting there. They're almost there. So what I'm going to do is kind of just turn them up a little bit. I'm going to cover them up. Just let them steam for a minute. And then we wait. So I think these potatoes are done. They've been cooking for about 10 minutes, about 10 minutes or so. So let's get them off. All right, there we go. Got a little tray here. Soak up a little bit of that grease. We can turn these burners off, that's for sure. All right, let's get these off, and then I'm gonna just put a little in a bowl, mix it up with the sauce. It's go time. All right, that's all it is, guys. I mean, it's real easy. The sauce is easy. It's spicy. I just took a little bite. It's definitely got some spice, that Cajun and that cayenne pepper in there. It's hot. The potatoes are perfect. Get your griddle hot enough and oiled up good enough. Get a nice fry on them. Real easy. I'm trying to think, you definitely get the Cajun in there, obviously, because I put a lot. I have all the amounts in the description below. This is delicious. I don't know what their recipe is. The employees have to sign a non-disclosure, so they won't release the recipe, all that stuff. So I've only seen pictures, and I mean, this is good. It's not that, but this is really good. Really, really good. That's all I got, guys. Got my brat cooking on the Weber over here. About to dive into that. Let's go. Thanks for coming by.